Welcome to the one system that has the potential to create financial freedom for you while building a massive email list, which is going to allow you to promote several different products. But if you stay to the very end of this video, I'm going to show you how to copy my 100% free 5 income stream sales funnel in the next 15 to 20 minutes. So make sure, stay tuned to this video, and I'm going to show you how to market, how to copy the funnel, how to get my free emails, and how to do all of this within the next 20 to 30 minutes. Now, first things first, what you want to do is click the link in the description below. And once you've watched this video, you'll understand how to actually copy this system. So what we're going to look at right now is the endless lead building system. So I'm going to show you the sales page. I'm going to show you the landing page, and I'll walk you through how to get your affiliate links and how to set this system up live right now on this video. So if you like that, straight to the point, leave a thumbs up. So what we're looking at right now is the landing page for the endless buyer lead system. Now this is a 5 income stream system. Once you enter your name and email, you're going to be sent over to our sales page. So this right here is the sales page, which I'm going to walk you through how to set up your affiliate links. As you see here at the top of the page, there's going to be a little banner. So it has all 5 income streams. So all you need to do is click on each of these buttons and you're going to grab your affiliate links. Now I personally use a site called Branded Links, and these are my affiliate links for this sales funnel. I don't actually use these links, but this is a very easy way if you don't know how to keep track of your links and you want, an easy way where they're all right here where you can track the clicks, you can add tags, all of that stuff. I have it linked up to my domain, and this makes it super easy. I don't actually have them in this sales funnel because I have a different tracking method in this, but this is a great free way for somebody to get their affiliate links. So once you watch this video right here, at the bottom, you're going to see Join Systemi. Now, Systemi is what we use to build the sales funnels. So it's going to have funnels. It's going to have an email autoresponder. You can create a blog. It has automations. It has everything you need to run a full-time online business by building websites, sales funnels, emails, and on the free member, it allows you to have 5,000 leads, okay? And the way that I've set this system up is so that it can stick in that free range. So if you just want to go set this system up and you just want to promote this system, you can have all of the items and all of the tools for free. The only thing that you would need to purchase would be solo ad traffic or our #1 income stream, which is my lead gen secret, which allows you to send out a email. Okay, so every day you're going to be able to mail all of your leads that are inside of my lead gen secret. Now, my lead gen secret is $30 a month. You don't need to pay this to get access to the affiliate program. I made tens of thousands of dollars from this program when I wasn't even promoting it anymore. Okay, I signed a couple people up. They signed a couple people up. And due to the compensation plan, we were able to make residual money every single week, every single month. But the cool thing is I can click and I can send to 100,000 people, okay? I can load in my last email, which I've set up, and I gotta wait 52 minutes to send that email. But what you would normally do is you'd click send and you'd be able to send out to 100,000 people. Obviously, your list will be a little bit smaller as you're getting growing, but you're getting 200 free leads every single day. So my leads today were 200, my leads yesterday were 200, and I got a bonus 100 leads today, okay? So that's gonna be one way to promote this system. The second way to promote this system is through solo ads. So solo ads are where you're gonna go to this site, all right? You're gonna click on somebody here, and you're going to buy clicks to our sales funnel from their emails. So for 100 clicks, you can get $43 US, and you're probably going to get 30 to 50 leads, and you might make 1 or 2 sales or sign a couple people up. But the goal of this is to build that list. All right. The bigger the list that you build, the more money you can make, because at the click of a button, I can send out a promotion and get clicks. But now the cool thing is you can actually become a vendor. Okay. You can become a seller on Udemy, and you can take the leads that you build from this system and you can sell them and sell their clicks on Udemy and make even more money than what the income streams are from the sales funnel. Okay. So that's number 2 on how to promote this. Number 1 is our free 200 leads per day system. Number 2 is our solo ads. And number 3 is if you want to make videos like this and you want to promote on YouTube, you can use a site called Sprizzy. Now, Sprizzy allows you to promote your YouTube video using Google Ads and YouTube ads, but it's going to use AI to target the right people. Okay. So it's going to take what your video is about. It's going to use AI to build a campaign, and it's going to do all of the work for you. All right. So those are the 3 methods of how we're going to get traffic to this sales funnel. And the cool thing is when you sign up and you use these traffic methods and people sign up under you, they're going to sign up using your affiliate link, because every program here has an affiliate offer. So you can go under referrals, you can grab your affiliate links, you can go right here under affiliates, grab your affiliate link, and all of these platforms have affiliate links. So as we scroll down in this page, right, as you see here, you can simply download the funnel, right? All you need to do is download the funnel. You're going to get this exact same page, email follow-up, everything you need. I'm going to walk you through how to set it up, right? You can download my email follow-up, which is going to follow up with anybody that signs up for the next week, okay? They're going to get an email every day. Hey, come back, set up your system. Why did you leave your system, right? They're going to follow up with them so that you can increase your sales without actually having to do any more work, okay? As we scroll down, now you see the power of this system, all right? Every income stream has a video walking you through how to get the link, how to put it onto the site so that you can make commissions. So we have our setup for My Lead Gen Secret. We have our setup for Udemy solo ads, setup for vidIQ, which is something that I didn't share here, but vidIQ is a tool which allows you to help rank your videos better. All right. That's another one of the tools that we have in this system, and another income stream. All right. Then we have our Sprizzy YouTube ads. So 5 income streams, 1 sales funnel, the easiest way to build buyer leads, building multiple income streams all at the same time using one all-in-one software, which allows you to copy emails, sales videos, sales pages, everything you need as a brand new person trying to make money online. It's all done. It's all ready for you. All you need to do is take action. So I know I said it was going to be 10 to 15 minutes. It's actually not, because all you need to do once you have your affiliate links. So if we go right here, we just go into our funnels. After you've copied this page, you're going to go under edit links, right? And then all you need to do is follow along. You go into your menu and you change out all 5 income streams with your affiliate link. So if you want to change out the Sprizzy one, you're going to go grab your Sprizzy affiliate link, which is right here. We're going to copy it. We're going to paste it here, and boom, you're done. It's ready to go. You know, your affiliate link is there. When somebody signs up through your funnel, you're making money. Obviously, there's more in-depth training inside of the sales funnel. So go ahead, click the link in the description below, sign up for free. Just go watch the videos. See if you like it. You know, set it up. It's free to set up. If you have a source of traffic, you can test the conversions, but just go set it up, right? All the affiliate programs are free. You can do everything you need to do 100% free on this system. So thank you guys for tuning in. My name's Dylan with the 6-Figure Marketers Club. My goal is to help you and me create financial freedom so that we can live our lives and be happy. So thank you for stopping by. I appreciate the support. If you guys want to leave a comment down below, Let me know what types of videos that you would like to see so that I can help you guys better understand how to actually make some money online. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.